Hey there, folks. Just standing outside of my garage with my motorcycle, and I just got new LED lights for my turn signals. And I should have filmed the installation, but I was so excited to put them on, and then I thought about this afterwards. Anyway, let me show you what the front turn signals look like now. Okay, hold on. There we go. That's better. Very bright. Pretty cool. Nope, not. There we go. And when you turn on the turn signal, it does that. That's pretty cool too. That bright light like lights up the sky. It's crazy. But anyway, I just wanted to show you that. Let me show you the backlights because one of the backlights, LED lights, froze or broke, and here's the difference between the two. So much brighter. So I have a light bulb in the other one just until I get the replacement part, but that'll be here tomorrow, and I'll show you the installation for that one. But they're awesome. Let me kind of show you how doing the blinker. Blink, 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 blink. So much clearer, and I can be seen now. Pretty cool, huh?